Hi Tyler, on this worksheet I want you to do what the instructions say, which is to determine whether or not the number that they give you in the braces is a solution of the given equation. And then after you do that, I want you to go back and solve these, just straight up to find out what the actual solution is. For example, so number 1, it says 2x plus 5 equals 13. And I just want you to solve it for x. I want you to show subtracting the 5 out of the way. So now these cancel, leaving you 2x equals 13 minus 5 is 8. And then divide both sides by 2. So x is 4. Alright, now I'll do the first few. I'll do through 4. So number 2, 3y minus 1 equals 26. Since it's a negative 1, I'm going to add 1. 3y equals 27. Divide both sides by 3 to get the y by itself. So y equals 9. Okay, and when you do these, no calculator. Okay, number 3. Let's see, 6 plus 5x equals 44. So since I still want to get the x by itself, I'm going to subtract the 6 out of the way. So these go away, so 5x will be equal to 38. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 38 over 5. Which, I want you to use short division because we've done this. 5 goes into 38 7 times with a remainder of 3. So 3 over what you were dividing by. And let's see, for number 4. And then you can do the rest. For number 4, 12 minus x is equal to 7. Subtract the 12. So the negative x comes down, sign and all with the x. 7 minus 12 is a negative 5. Okay, but I don't want to know what negative x is, I want to know what x is. So I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 1. So negative divided by a negative is positive, making it just x. And again, negative divided by a negative is positive, so 5 divided by 1 is just 5. Okay, so please show all the work. Do it on a separate sheet of paper. Do not try to cram it in on the worksheet. And I'll see you tomorrow. Oops, one more thing, just in case you're not sure about how they want you to do it by the directions. So here's number 1 again, which is 2x plus 5 equals 13. And they want you to check, so 4 is in parentheses. So they're trying to say, if x equals 4, then is the statement true? Okay? Then is the statement true? Alright, so if I plug in 4 for the x, and then do what it says to do, so I get 8 plus 5 equals 13, and yes, 13 is in fact equal to 13, so that's all good. Number 2, 3y minus 1 is equal to 26, and they give you a 9. So I'm going to plug in 9 now in this case if y is 9. And 3 times 9 is 27, and 27 minus 1 is in fact 26. So again, it checks. For number 3, we have 6 plus 5x equals 44, and they gave us 8. Alright, well if you plug in 8 for x, for the variable, you get 6 plus 40, but that adds up to 46, which is actually not equal to 44. So I'm going to put lines through all the equal signs because it's not true. Okay, so that's how you're going to check it the way they want you to do it on the instructions.